Hi and welcome to our YouTube video on box breathing, a technique that brings tranquility and enhances focus. In this video, we will dive into the step-by-step guidance on box breathing. Now let's begin the step-by-step tutorial. First, focus on your breath. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Then, exhale slowly, releasing all the tension and stress. Repeat this process, making sure to inhale and exhale for the same count. To help you visualize this, we will show you a close-up of a person's face as they inhale and exhale. You will also see a side angle to understand the correct posture and chest movements. An animated square graphic will guide you through the 4 equal counts for inhalation, hold, exhalation, and pause. On-screen text will provide further guidance on the counts. Inhale 1002, 1003, 1004, 1000. Hold 1002, 1003, 1004, 1000. Exhale 1002, 1003, 1004, 1000. Hold 1002, 1003, 1004, 1000. Repeat for 4 times. In conclusion, we encourage you to incorporate box breathing into your daily routine. By practicing this technique, you can enhance your focus, find tranquility, and improve your overall well-being. We would love to hear about your experiences, so please share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel and check out our other related content. Stay calm, stay focused, and embrace the power of box breathing.